What's the meaning of colorless? Colorless. Colorless.
Colorless. Colorless. The word colorless means the absence or lack of any color. It refers to objects, substances or materials that don't have any hue, tint, or shade. Colorless objects appear transparent or translucent, allowing light to pass through them without any distortion or alteration of the color spectrum. They are often perceived as neutral or bland, lacking any distinctive or eye-catching features. Examples of colorless substances include water, air, glass, and diamonds. The term colorless is also used metaphorically to describe things that are bland, uninteresting, or lacking emotional depth.